Yeah. I know you've been used. Can I come over? It's like, can I? To keep it simple, when I wanna come over, impress your mind, then your body. So gazing when I feel love go through like commodity. And everybody wanna stop me, and they say I can't be with you and you can't be with me, cause we different trees, breathing through the same leaves, intertwined roots. Don't mind the loop, it's just me and you, true. So come over, let me show you my room, let me show you my bed, where I sleep and drew, where I play my game, where I eat my food. When I say come over, I don't mean let's have sex, I mean let's talk until we go to bed. I mean let's have some drinks instead. You so used to being used, a good guy can't say come over without looking like a fool. And it's a damn shame, cause you worth more than sex and a pad on the back. But best believe you know I got your back. It's the love that you give, I just wanna give back. Never miss a type that just wanna hit it and quit it. Get your man that's about his business, loyal, never break a sweat when he's hoes around, cause he know his lady always holds him down. Come over, I just really want you to come over. You know, a little something, something. When I saw you, man, I was locked in. Everybody was talking, but I'm boxed in. Boxed for the love when I'm taking less mingle. IDGAF like we single. Make love like we married. Dancing to have everybody staring. Like dare we, should we do the thing that everybody loves? Or do we? I don't give a Say they talk cause they wanna know it. Love like